Hello my gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Reading Mindfully. My name is Yana and today is Fun Fact Friday, so let's just get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So like I said, today is Fun Fact Friday. I thought I would try something different on my channel, and I don't know, it's been a long week, it's been a long day, and you know, instead of not making a video, I wanted to try something different on my channel, something light and fun. And because I love fun facts and I like learning about different things, that I would try a different series on my channel. So let me know in the comment section below if you like these kind of videos, or if you have a particular plant that you would like me to talk about. But for the first video, I thought we would talk about peace lilies, especially since I just made a care video on my collection and on my care tips. And so with peace lilies, I do have 3 different kinds. I have this peace lily sensation, the platinum mist, which I have here, which is very beautiful, and I have the peace lily domino. So the name peace lily is actually broken down into 2 parts, and so spath means spoon, and then fill means leaves. And with peace lilies, the most interesting thing about peace lilies is that they are actually not true lilies. And so peace lilies are not a part of the Liliaceae family. They are actually a part of the Araceae family, which if you guys are houseplant collectors, which most of you are, they are more closely related to aroids, such as aglaonemas, philodendrons, anthuriums, and that is because of the inflorescence that they put off. And so the outside of the inflorescence, or this white part, is actually known as the spath, and then the inside, once it opens, they have a thick axis, which is actually the spadix. And so that is why the peace lily is a part of the Araceae family, and is the same for the aglaonema. Because of the blooms that they put off, it categorizes them in that family. Also, true peace lilies are very toxic to humans and pets, while peace lilies are only mildly toxic. And they are also known to be part of the NASA list, which deems the peace lily to be very cleansing for your home and in your environment, and why they're always recommended. Another thing that peace lilies are also known for are funerals, and that is because they represent innocence, and it also represents the departure of the soul from this world to the next, which I just thought was so poetic, and it just seems very fitting for the peace lily. It is also recommended that you give someone a peace lily that is grieving for a loved one, because these plants are known to last very long. And like I said, they're good for cleaning your environment, so people can take them to their homes, their offices, and they will last a while. The other thing that is cool about peace lilies are that they are known as bringers of peace. You ever seen those movies where the pirates, or if you ever seen any war movies or pirate movies where they are putting out the right flag, you know, meaning to surrender or peace, that is the signal of a truce. And so when these peace lilies do bloom and they give off their inflorescence, it is just a true symbol of peace, and it is known worldwide. So those are some interesting facts about the peace lilies. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys know any fun facts about the peace lilies. I just think these are really underrated and interesting plants, and that's why I wanted to feature them first for my first Fun Fact Friday. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you like to watch things like this, if you want me to try something different. Also, if you want me to speak about any different plants, or if you have any ideas about future Fun Fact Fridays, let me know. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos, liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.